Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Of Akwa Ibom State. During the presidential commissioning last week, the excited residents hailed the intervention agency for delivering this landmark project, which connects over 20 previously isolated communities in the area.
I am very, very happy to see what is on now, because this is something we were expecting before now to happen in Ibeno, and it has happened in my lifetime.
Nddc, God bless them all around, all over. Fantastic and good.
Although the 600-meter bridge across the Kwaibo River was completed in 2013, the road got stalled. On resumption of office, the current leadership of the commission swiftly intervened with a promise to complete and commission the strategic infrastructure so as to drive socio-economic gains for the people whose livelihoods have been negatively impacted along the area. During the presidential commissioning last week, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, described the multi-billion naira project as an enduring legacy in the Niger Delta region.
The series of commissionings we have been doing is in commemoration of Mr. President's one-year anniversary, and we thought we also need to express Mr. President's renewed hope agenda in the Niger Delta. Not only for the Niger Delta people to hear, but for them to feel it. The renewed hope agenda is real.
For Engineer Abubakar Momo, the Minister for Niger Delta Development, the project completion was a positive response to the performance bond the leadership of the Commission signed with the ministry. He further assured the people that with the passage of the 2024 budget, the Commission will be able to complete other abandoned projects in the region.
I want to assure the people of Niger Delta that with the 2024 budget of the NDDC already in the Senate passed, I'm sure the Senate President will, by this time next year, will be querying why he's being invited every week to come and commission projects in the Niger Delta region.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, represented by the Senate President, Senator Godswill Akpabio, noted that the project is a significant milestone in the development of the region and reiterated the President's commitment to developing the oil-rich region.
Now that NDDC is focused, we will take a good look at your budget in 2024 to see what you have for this community. This community has given so much to Nigeria. My assurance to the youth of this area is that the current administration will continue to work not just through the NDDC, but through various ministries to ensure that you are empowered.
The Senate President also flagged up the construction of the second phase of the project, which is a 5-kilometer road from the 600-meter bridge linking several other communities. The Executive Governor of Akwa Ibom State, Pastor Umo Eno, speaking through his deputy, commended the NDDC for completing the road and bridge.
I believe strongly that this should signal the beginning of a great relationship between the NDDC and Akwa Ibom State government.
Ibeno local government area of Akwa Ibom State is one of the largest fishing settlements on the Nigerian coast and a host community to major IOCs in the region. This strategic development in the area will open up the entire state to an unimaginable possibility of socio-economic activities. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,